Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for gold for Wednesday, December the 16th. Well, another green bodied candle today, and a fairly different candle than yesterday, and the market has clearly continued with the higher high and higher low continuing the first time frame uptrend that was established yesterday. If we look at yesterday's candle, it had only just taken out the previous high, so it wasn't a terribly bullish candle, but on the bottom of the body of that candle was this very long shadow, and that represented buying coming in. So there was very solid support through this region. And today we've had this fairly large green body, which means that the buyers have made some solid net bullish progress on the day, and they've closed the market up towards the high, which means that they've shown very strong commitment and have closed the market in control. Now we just need to be aware that this was a previous area of price rejection, this 1140 area, and we can see from this candle here, very large red body candle, we can see on the shadow that there was strong downside price rejection from this area, so we need to be aware that there is potential for that to happen. So the high of this current candle becomes very important for this market to continue trading up. If the market does continue trading up, then there is potential for the market to find support around the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which are around 1160. Now the market is trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, which means that it does have an overall positive bias, but the market is trading down below the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, which means that the market is negative. We've also had a crossover of the Tenkan-sen down below the Kijun-sen, which is a bearish signal. Unfortunately, though, that signal has happened up above the cloud or the Kumo, so it's a very, very weak signal, and there is a bit of lag with this market, and that signal is actually reflecting this very strong, powerful sell-off that we had in the market over the last previous few weeks. So we need to be a little bit careful about taking that type of sell signal. I'd prefer to see the market continue in a first time frame downtrend. If we have the market trade down below these swing lows, then that could be a confirmation of this signal for a potential trade for the market to trade down to around the cloud or the Kumo. So there might be potential for that to happen, and so there is potential for the market to trade down to the cloud or Kumo and find support down around that region, roughly about the 1080 level at the moment. If the market does continue in the uptrend, we've highlighted that 1160 area as potential resistance, and then up above that, obviously the round number around 1200. So keep an eye on the high of the current candle, and certainly keep an eye on the swing low here around 1110.